Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you fried rice with steak. My leftover steak from the other day, and you know I love steak. Fried rice in Chinese, 炒饭. Let me show you the ingredients. Here's my piece of steak. Mr. Cameraman made the porterhouse the other day. We couldn't finish. So I think I'm going to use half of it, still a big piece, right? And I have 2 cups of rice, of course, leftover rice from last night. Again, same tip, to make a good fried rice, you need to use leftover rice, day old, 2 days old. And this is cold too. And I have chopped green onions, diced carrot, and diced onions. So first let me beat the eggs. We need 2 eggs. And I just add a little bit salt, as usual, to season the eggs, and a little bit white pepper powder. Next, I'm gonna cut the steak. Before I cut the steak, we just need to break the rice, so my hand's wet. This way we separate the rice. Now I'm ready to cut the steak. I'm going to just use probably 2/3 of the piece, that much. Yep. Just need to trim the fat. Then we cut against the green. Then cut in half. Now we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the wok to high. Add some oil. First, we're going to scramble the eggs. Now we set aside. Now add a little bit more oil. I'm going to add the onion, carrots, cook about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Just add a little bit salt. Next, we're going to add the steak. Fry about 1 minute. Add a little bit of oil before we add the rice, otherwise it will be sticky. Here's our rice. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 minutes, let's add some light soy sauce. Add our eggs. Wow. Last, let's add our green onions. And let me just taste quickly. A little bit more soy sauce. And ground black pepper. Goes well with steak. Mix. Our fried rice is ready. Let's have a close-up of our fried rice with steak. Wow, looks great, right? Steak, onions, carrots, eggs. I cannot wait to eat. Let me take some. You want to try some, Mr. Cameraman?
Sure.
Here you go. Let's eat. Cheers. How's it?
Really good. Delicious.
Seasoned perfectly, right? All we need is maybe just a cucumber salad, right? That'll be our dinner. Yum. Delicious. So by now I have all varieties of fried rice, from egg fried rice to chicken fried rice, shrimp fried rice, steak fried rice, and pork fried rice. What else do I have? Even Thai basil fried rice, right? Please leave me a comment below. Let me know if you ever had steak fried rice. And also let me know what's your favorite fried rice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.